Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn where you can find your Kick channel's streaming URL and key in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, head over to your own channel or profile here on Kick and you will need to access your creator dashboard. So log into your account and from your channel profile, click into your profile icon in the top right and choose creator dashboard. From there, what you want to do is navigate to stream URL and key here on the left hand side, and here you will see both listed, the URL and the key. Now of course for privacy reasons I'm not going to display it, but you can do that if you want to gain access to your own streaming URL and key. Click into that eye icon here to see it. You may also write it down on a piece of paper or on a Word sheet or something like that to memorize it, to save it, and that's it. The streaming key can also be reset here if you'd like to receive a new one. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.